So this is my fourth video diary, I guess. I need to stop saying that. In my last one I was feeling a bit meh, maybe a bit homesick and a bit blah. So it was really not the best I felt. Probably one of the low points in that week. But then so far from talking to a load of people, I think everyone's had it at least once so far. And it's like kind of a homesick and a bit of a, I don't know, you just feel blasé and a bit nonchalant. But it's all good, I'm fine now. It only lasted for like a couple of hours and then talked to a couple of people and it's fine. Today I start my new job. I moved from the kitchen to the office because the position came up. So I stole someone's job after they left. So bad times for them, good times for me. Yay. Not really quite sure what I'm going to be doing yet. I think it's going to be involved with a lot of phone calls, touring, information stuff, using a walkie-talkie to get people into the office and to meet people and get things sorted. Don't have to work as many hours as the kitchen now. I have a lot more free time. This morning I had my first line for like a week. Unlucky for the kitchen guys, I guess. It's sunny. It didn't rain yesterday and it hasn't rained today so far, touch wood. So might be a really nice day. Might be really warm though. So that'll be all good. I doubt that I sleep in much anyway. Literally sleep in pyjamas and a blanket over the top because it's just that hot. So it's all good. The kids have arrived, they're all having much fun. Everyone's got stuff to do. Gonna see if I can do something with my free time now that I have a bit more to like join specialists or cabin staff and help out with them because that would be quite fun. And actually be involved in like the camp side of it as well. It's not just office and general staff side, so that would be quite fun. So yeah, peace out guys, much love, bye.